Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's Kitchen. So this week we've got a request from Captain Nephew, and Captain Nephew wants to do some panda cookies. But because it has a long wait in between, I'll do the first bit now and we'll complete the rest over Captain Nephew's. But first, let's have a cup of tea. Thank you, phone. Let's begin. We shall need 2 tablespoons of cocoa, 300 grams of flour, pinch of salt, 250 grams of unsalted butter, 150 grams of white sugar, so white caster sugar I'm going to use there, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I have just a thingy-bob. And now this is up to you. I'm going to put in some ground sweet cinnamon, so 2 teaspoons of that. But in theory, you can put in any citrusy fruit really. So most people will use the zest of an orange. You could use nutmeg or whatever you want in it really. Right, as part of this, I have actually got what appears to be a 3D printed panda thing. We're going to need 2 layers, which is why you've got the cocoa powder. So what we'll do is we'll make the dough, split it sort of roughly 2/3, and add the cocoa to basically what would be the base layer, and then roll it out thin enough and cut them out with these. We'll see how this goes. Right, first step is to melt the butter in the microwave, like we've done here. So it is lovely and soft. What we're now going to do is add the sugar. So let's start by doing that. I'm going to slowly add the sugar in. Or just dump it all in. No, dump it all in. As we do on this channel. And my bowl's moving. Right, so it needs to be light and creamy, which that has gone light and creamy straight away. So what we'll need to do now is add a pinch of salt. That, to me, looks enough. I'm not going to overdo the salt. With the salt added in, we now need to slowly add the flour. Right, now we're getting a bit doughy. I'm going to swap to some dough hooks. What I've just realised is I have completely forgotten to add the egg, the cinnamon and everything else in, which is just typical. So I will obviously put in a thing saying, do this now. Get in there, get. Oh, my egg. No, my egg. Okay, the egg's disappeared. Let's add the other bits. Oh dear, oh dear. Right, hopefully this will mix in okay. Right, we're now, after mixing in, we're now going to split. Now I'm going to split the dough into 2, and I want a third for the top and I want 2/3. Right, so have I got that? Right, so basically you want a third in this bowl and 2/3 in the other. Right, so first bowl is done, so cling film over. Right, we're now going to add the cocoa powder in. Right, so give this a mix in, and when combined we are going to do the same. Cling film this, put it in the fridge for an hour. But for me, I will see you at Captain Funky's. Right, so after some mixing in, only slight problem I can see is it's brown and not black, but never mind. I've also got a problem where my top dough isn't really white anymore because of the spices I've added. So I probably should have, if I do this again, when I split it into two, I think the cinnamon I should put in the base, and should leave the top so it's white. Right, so Captain Funky's, but first, a cup of tea. Right, I shall see you soon, nephew.
Welcome to Captain Panda's kitchen. Today we have a new guest here. We have Jake! And of course the boring one, Captain Scarlet.
Well, at least I'm not weird. Not weird.
He says he's weird, but he is.
Oh, you're actually drinking. You're supposed to say yes, but now it's time for a...
Yes, but it's time for a drink. And we've already had one, so you're going to be facing the darkest fears. The night time, come on.
You're
just going to stay there. You're just going to be staying there for a second. Here's what we're going to make today. Panda cookies! Okay. Right, we can start. And here, so these take a few hours. No.
Yeah, we need to do it.
And these are the cookie cutters that you need. And we need this, of course. And of course, my favourite thing, the rolling pin. You get to smash them.
Right, should we say about preheating the oven?
Yeah. Preheat the oven to 25 meters. No. Preheat your oven to what?
Preheat your oven to gas. Preheat your oven to gas mark 4 or 180 Celsius. How do you use your oven again? Right. Step 1. Put some flour on your.
Beep. So keep the pandas away.
Put some. Right, so flour at a surface like this.
I want to say keep the pandas away.
What was that? Keep the pandas away. Keep the pandas away. Go that one then.
X. Straight.
Right, so we want a bit of flour on the pin.
Okay. What do you want to do? Wait, let's hold it both.
What? Okay. Hold it over here because we don't want it to go on the floor.
No. Here's a dollar.
Right, so we're trying to put some flour on the pin. And now we've got it on the floor. Right, next we need to get some of the dough.
And this is where we have to. I'm trying to roll it. Right now.
In a moment, need to try and squish that down as much as possible. Oh, that's very crumbly.
Just roll it.
Hang on, let's
When are we going to roll it?
Right.
Now!
Roll it.
Roll it. Roll it. Just do it. Roll. Roll it. Oh.
Do you want to take turns?
Oh, yeah.
Right. Are you happy that's flat enough?
Yeah. Let's cut.
Yep.
Jake, cut. Yes, good. Then take it out and I'll do the blue bit.
Yep, everything else. One, that's it. It's fine. Just use switch it more. Yep. That's, yeah, you can get one there. Yeah, we'll just rip that there.
Ah, it looks like a robot one. Smash!
Yep, just put the bit on there so it doesn't stick to the rolling pin. Press it and then move it from side to side whilst you're pressing.
We made 2 balls like we did.
Right, okay, so now we need to put these in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh dear. Right, so yes, you can see the horrors that they've faced today. And, I'll be back in 12 minutes.
We're gonna release it!
Yes. Well, the taste test is probably... Oh! It's steamed up. Do you want to hold that? Or shall we?
And we do a video. Yeah! I mean, like, the funny videos with...
Oh! Those are not baked yet.
No, not
We're
that.
going back in the oven.
Not that. We're going back in the oven.
Right, so the ones at the front are the ones you could taste test.
Which one was the biggest one?
The biggest one was that one.
Okay, then we are going to split that one.
Yes, do you want to split that one?
Yeah, you can, Seb. Oh. Look.
It's overdone.
It's good, it's good. It's overdone. Good. Yeah. It's good.
You're not eating the rest of it?
Yeah. I haven't ate the rest of
Not
it.
that bad.
It's so good.
Right, so now we end the video with give that a go yourself and see and let us know how you get on.
Bye-bye. Bye. Love you. I have one more thing to do. That makes you very dehydrated. Yep, it does. I exactly know how to